Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the kitchen with the Rachael Cucina Nonstick Cookware Pots and Pans set, in the beautiful agave blue color. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what's included in this 12-piece set.
You've got everything you need to whip up a storm in the kitchen: saucepans,
a stock pot, frying pans, a sauté pan, and even a slotted turner and spoon. What sets this cookware apart?
Well, first off, it's crafted with durable aluminum and sturdy hard enamel porcelain exteriors.
Translation?
It's built to last, even in the busiest of kitchens. Plus, the espresso-colored non-stick surface means easy food release and hassle-free cleanup.
Who doesn't love that?
Another thing I love about this set is its versatility.
It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and suitable for all stovetops except induction. So whether you're simmering, sautéing, or searing, these pots and pans have got you covered. But it's not just about functionality. Rachael knows a thing or two about style. The rustic colors and modern design of the Cucina collection add a touch of charm to any kitchen.
It's like having a piece of Tuscany right in your home. So, there you have it, folks. The Rachael Cucina Nonstick Cookware Pots and Pans set. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice,
this set has everything you need to elevate your cooking game.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy cooking!